guys, it's Becca. Today I'll be showing you how to recreate my BTS IDOL inspired design. Start off by painting your ring fingernail a light blue and all of your other nails white. Use black lines to separate both your index and middle fingernails into different shape sections. Fill the shapes in with different colors. Here I'm using neon blue, neon green, purple, red, pink, yellow, orange, and dark blue. After coloring in the sections, clean up your lines by going over them again with black polish. Seal in your design with a top coat. Apply a matte top coat to the blue nail. Mix black and white acrylic paint and then add some drops of water to thin it out. Repeat with black acrylic paint. Use the dark gray watered down paint to make mountains. Apply the thin paint to the nail and let it sit for a second before removing the excess paint with a dry paintbrush. Add some lighter clouds to the background as well as some trees to the right side of the nail. Use the black watered down paint for the details in the foreground. Paint a white semicircle at the top of the nail and then fill it in with yellow. Add some small birds in black and then add a top coat just to the sun. Apply liquid latex around your nail. Make an angled gradient with yellow, pink, purple, and blue and dab it onto the nail. Repeat until it's opaque. Remove the liquid latex. Use black paint or polish to write the character for love on the nail. Seal in your design with a top coat. Apply liquid latex around your nail. Repeat the same process from the pinky nail for the gradient on the thumb. Remove the liquid latex. Use white paint or polish to make the logo from BTS's Love Yourself Answer digital album cover. Sealing your design with a top coat and you're done! All of the products used in this video will be listed in the description below. Thanks for watching!